Grabovoi concentration exercises. 23rd day of the month. Exercise number 1. On the 23rd day of the month, you should concentrate on developing all elements of reality to effect the ultimate realization of the divine purpose. Exercise number 2. 7-digit sequence of numbers. 8, 1, 5, 4, 5, 7, 4. 9-digit sequence. 5, 8, 1, 9, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exercise number 3. Look at the world from the viewpoint of what needs to be done for it. Look at your own daily affairs. Look at your feelings and examine them. See how your feelings are connected to life's events. Why do you look into the future? Why do you feel a certain way? Why do you take a specific course of action in your daily work? See why there is no place in the world for the word alternately, because the world is unified and diverse in its unity. See why the word unique implies diversity. Sense the nature of all things in your concrete affairs. Examine your own affairs from all sides. Look at your body and restore it to health with an instantaneous thought. Look at your consciousness and build it in such a way that it will resolve all of your problems. Look at your soul and realize that everything has already been here for a long time.